you are the most methodical client that I've had to date, right? Like when we talked, okay, you had a plan for a plan, okay, and it was amazing. And there are other lawyers out there that are similar to you that are thinking to themselves, okay, 3, 5, 7, 10 years out. So, as our first question, Christine, could you just describe your methodical approach to succession planning for your practice?
Right. So I've always been a planner. Maybe that's why I like estate planning. My methodical approach, it's funny how it started. It actually started because my partner was much older than me, and he was in the process of retiring. So that was almost like a dress rehearsal for me of what would eventually happen with me when I retired. So when we realized that he would be retiring, I started going to seminars about succession planning. And actually, Jeremy, you were one of the panelists with another attorney, and I can never remember his name, but you always remember the name. And that got my wheels spinning about what I would need to do. So then after I went to that seminar and heard about the issues that people face when they retire, I started applying it to myself. I started trying to identify what was going to be important to me as I transitioned, and even trying to identify what the issues are. You don't know what you don't know. So I started to, and I just have a few notes here, but the things that really mattered to me were having a deep bench of attorneys. Jeremy, you and I have used that phrase consistently, but a deep bench and longevity, so that the clients would always have a home as I pulled back, stability of a firm, and support staff, and commitment, for me personally, commitment to being willing to service clients at all different levels of estate planning, because I was doing Medicaid planning and disability planning, and on up from there for very wealthy folks. And so it was very important to me to go somewhere that could service the full spectrum. And then working with you, Jeremy, I was able to learn and understand the actual business issues that would be involved. So that was sort of my, at least in the beginning, my approach.